Hello and a very warm welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today's tutorial will be on law. In case of any information, you can contact us on this particular number. And if you wish to know anything about us, then you can check in our website. So let us look at the principle now. Let me change the color first. Now the principle says that there is no liability. Okay, that means in case of any wrong doings, in cases of inevitable, unavoidable accidents. So if there are some unavoidable accidents and something wrong has occurred, then there is no liability. You are not accountable for it. Okay, the person who has performed the act. Okay, now let us look at the situation. So there is a stranger who takes a lift in truck. Now the truck later meets with an accident, okay, due to brake failure. So because of this reason, there was an accident in which there is the driver as well as this stranger who has taken the lift, okay. Now the next is the stranger suffered physical injuries, very badly he was injured and there was nervous shock, okay. Then later he files a suit to claim compensation from the truck owner. Okay, so he wants some compensation. Now you must know that an unavoidable accident is that which could not be possibly prevented. You cannot stop it, okay, by the exercise of ordinary care. By the exercise of ordinary care. So here I am trying to define what do you mean by an unavoidable accident, and this was an unavoidable accident because the driver himself never knew that the brakes has failed. Okay, so now having said that, now let us look at the best decision that can be undertaken, or which of the options will be the correct one. The first is the truck owner is liable, but here this accident was unavoidable because the truck owner himself never knew that the brakes are failed. So this can't be the correct option. The next is truck owner is not liable because it is an inevitable accident. Definitely it is an unavoidable accident. So unavoidable accident, and defect in truck was not apparent. It was not visible. So because it was not visible, not clear through the truck owner, we cannot blame the truck owner. Okay, so he will not be liable to pay any compensation. So till now, by far, we think this can be the best or has a very high probability to be the correct option. Let us move to the other two options. The other two options says, or let us start with C. Truck driver is liable, not the owner. No one is actually liable because truck driver himself never knew that the brake has failed. Because if it was so, then he would have never drove that kind of truck because it is risky for his life also. And not the owner had any information about it. So this is not the correct option. And then is neither the truck driver nor the owner is liable. Okay. Now this has a little bit of chance that they are not liable to pay the compensation, but this particular option it actually incorporate all the small details of the situation. That means, first of all, it speaks that the owner is not liable, which is very much true, because there was an unavoidable accident, because there was a defect in truck, and this happened because the problem was not visible. So among these two, a better option or the best option is B, and we always pick the best option, so the answer will be B. So I hope this short tutorial on law was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.